I guess we have done more than what we are supposed to do. Should I say it's finalized only then? Okay.
The pimple.
Run for the car to check whether there is any. Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
So we have some news to share after a lot of contemplation and planning, and we're still contemplating though. But now I guess should I say it's finalized only then?
Yes,
Pakka.
it is.
Okay, so we have decided to go on a trip, and that trip is in 3 phases. That's what we have decided. From here to Kudal to Goa, and then Goa back to Bombay. Now Goa to Kudal to Goa is still work in progress. Yeah, so but most probably 99% we are going. 1% का ऊपर नीचे पता नहीं क्या scenes है. But then I guess if Ganpati Bappa has called us to Kudal, so I guess from there Goa हो ही जाएगा. So no worries about that. So that is what we have planned as of now. So now we are now preparing for the same, and tomorrow is Ganesh Chaturthi, as you all know. So preparations for that also is going on. So we are kind of busy. I know vlogs we won't be able to upload a full-fledged vlogs during this day, and maybe tomorrow. But we will try to upload every day. Yes, even when we are in Kudal, where we are Goa, we'll be uploading every day. That is what we have decided and planned, right? So first comes first, we'll make a list of what are we supposed to do and accordingly take it off. So let's see how the day unfolds. As you all already know, we are planning for our trip to Kudal. So we have decided to go on a road trip, and on a road trip the first thing that you need to check is your car. Though my car is in top-notch position, everything is on point, but still I will make it a point to give it to my service guy. I'll have him check everything is proper or not, because from here to Kudal it's approximately 450-500 kilometers, and 500 kilometers you need to have a check before. So as our journey is going to start in 2-3 days, it is the best to go and get it checked. The brakes, everything will be checked. So now I'm taking the car there. I'll have my service guy check each and everything. So let's see how it goes. And we are excited for the Kudal trip, a road trip that long, first time traveling, nervous, excited, adventurous, all at the same time. And that's my uncle. He is the one who does it. कैसे हो?
ठीक है
सब ठीक? So this is where I give my car for servicing and all the checkups. Daddy is close friend, so a trusted person in Navi Mumbai. So he is doing the trial run for the car to check whether there is any problem or anything. क्या लगता है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या गाड़ी में? कुछ नहीं लग रहा है ना, तो ज़रूरत नहीं इसे ब्रेक टाइट करने का और कुछ,
ऑटोमेटिक ब्रेक रहता है इसका,
तो टेंशन नहीं है ना इतना.
नहीं टेंशन नहीं. लगता तो जाओ आने के बाद चेक कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ वही अच्छा रहेगा ना फिर.
कुछ तकलीफ तो नहीं है.
हाँ बैटरी भी तो नया ही डाला है, वो अच्छा है ना. जब आप चला रहे थे तो अच्छा ही लगा ना, उधर ऐसे कोई टेंशन नहीं है ना. बराबर है ना, टेंशन नहीं. चलो वही देखने के लिए एटलीस्ट वन टाइम चेक करेगा तो अच्छा ना. अभी 2 जा रहे हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम जा रहे हैं, बीच में कुछ
खड्डे संभालो.
हाँ वही खड्डे संभालेगा. So he is like, the car is in a very good position, so you don't need to give it for servicing. He is of the opinion that once you come back from your trip, then give it for servicing if need be. So this is the reason why I like such people, they don't go ahead only for money. They give you an honest opinion. If it was some other person, they would have like, हाँ ठीक है ना, सर्विसिंग करो जाने के पहले और सर्विसिंग बाद आने के बाद भी कर लो. Now I'm quite excited really all this. So as you all know, we are into vlogging. We have been uploading a lot of vlogs regularly, daily, and we have been getting a very good response for the same. Now the thing is, we have exhausted our social media platform promotions. I mean, I guess we have done more than what we are supposed to do, and now we want to take that to another level and to promote ourselves so that, you know, we have a larger audience, a vast audience. Pooja and I were of the opinion to put up a sticker in our car, you know, with our logo, with our YouTube logo and with our name, and that is what I'm doing right now. So after a lot of contemplation, you know, after a lot of R&D, where to do it, how to do it, I've narrowed down to a place in Vashi called as the Graphy World. So they cater to all these needs. And the thing is, I have kept it very, very, very simple. I just want the YouTube logo and the name of our channel. That's it. I don't want to write and subscribe to our channel, like, comment, nothing. I just want to keep it really very simple. So I've already given it up for printing. Pooja does not know about this. She still thinks I'm at the you know, garage making sure that the car is proper, but she doesn't know that I've already done that job. And now I'm here given for printing. I will show you how it is. If you like it, please let us know. If you don't like it, please let us know so that we can improve. Obviously this is a journey where now it's a learning curve. You know, at the end of the day, you will come to know what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. In case it works, well and good. In case it doesn't work, we will obviously improve it. And Pooja and I are always and always open to feedbacks. So if you don't like a certain thing, if you don't like the way we are living our life in certain parts, please let us know. If it is something that we are comfortable changing with, we will definitely do it. For example, the broom thing, we used to always hang it, but now many people have informed us, no, it should be kept sleeping in a sleeping position. We have done it, right? So please let us know, keep us informed through comments how the scenario is, what it is, what we should do, what we should change. We are always and always open to that. So right now I'm waiting for the guy to come. I've already given it for printing. Printing will take 15 minutes it seems. So once he comes, once he puts the sticker, everything, I'll be showing it to you in the vlog. So stay tuned. First things first, we need to clean the glass. ये देखते हो ये क्या है, करना पड़ेगा, देखते हैं।
इसमें वो क्या चिपकेगा नहीं।
बारिश के रुकना पड़ेगा हमें 2 दिन में। Problem is it's raining, and because of that it's a bit difficult to put the बड़ा नहीं है ना वो। अरे हाँ,
ब्लॉगिंग है।
हाँ,
क्या नाम है?
पूजा रिच व्लॉग्स। For that moment, पूरा ऊपर आएगा क्या ये? हाँ पूरा ऊपर ही चाहिए।
सर एक दिन को बुलाना पड़ेगा।
हाँ ठीक है. This is not a one man work. He needs to call somebody, so he's calling his friend maybe. Looks like it's working. चलने से मालूम पड़ेगा लोगों को ना चालू किया है, नहीं तो कुछ मालूम नहीं
हाँ वो
पड़ता
तो
है.
है, यही है ना
हाँ ये
लाइट वेट।
ट्रैफिक वगैरह वर्क्स वंडर्स. मैं पकड़ूँ क्या? So it started to rain, so we have halted our work. Guy is like कि बारिश रुकेगा, फिर बारिश रुकने के बाद I have to dry it up. After drying it up, then only I can stick. So because of that, I need to now wait, which I guess will take another 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, baby is constantly calling me, where are you, why haven't you come home, this that. This girl has no patience at all. है ही नहीं patience. And that is the reason why it's very difficult for me to give her surprises, because वो surprise के चक्कर में I don't want her to start panicking. And ऐसा होता है कि I tell her what I'm doing then. Right now I have just kept her on hold. I told her I had a client's meeting. I had to sit and talk and explain the entire flow to the clients. So it's taking me time to come home. Whenever you talk about work, she's very chill, and because she knows work is important. So now I just kept her on hold. Let's see now how long can I do that. अरे this rain also is not stopping. आज तो रुका रे भाई. काम होने दे, काम होने के बाद पाउस पड़ेगा तो चलेगा, no problem. Once you stick, there is no problem. So even if rain falls, water falls on it, it's not an issue. When you are applying that sticker on glass, that time it has to be cutter dry. So let's see how it works now, waiting for the rains to stop. I'll keep you guys updated. So rain has stopped. Uncle has got his tool. Let's get this done with. So for the sticker to stick, this has to be dried. स्टिकर डालने के बाद पानी के लिए तो टेंशन नहीं ना. Looks like it's working wonders already. So as you already saw previously, somebody subscribed after checking it out, and now many people are actually stopping over and asking क्या है, कौन सा vlog है. So good, it's working fine for us. पकड़ू क्या मैं उस साइड पे? I just got home, and I've parked the car right outside the main gate, I mean entrance gate. So let's see if Pooja gets surprised and notices what I have done with the car. Till now she has absolutely no idea, and I'm sure she's angry with me at home. Hey, you're sleeping? Hello. Hi. Oh, you're upset I came late. Aren't we supposed to go to D-Mart? You don't have a butter here? She'll be upset, but go to see she's sleepy. Bag ke aaya. It's raining heavily here. Lot of planning to do. We need to still decide what route and कितना टोल जाने वाला है, क्या सीन है, वो सब देखना पड़ेगा. Where can we stop? Where can we take a break for a rest, for lunch, for breakfast? Everything needs to be planned out. So all that discussion is yet to be done. Let's see. हो जाएगा, I guess, with time. This is our first trip so far away. Last we went was to Lonavala. Before that, Safale. They all were 100 kilometers, something manageable. This is 4 times that route, and a lot of challenges on the way. Hriday is back from school. Let's see if he will notice. Hi.
Good evening, Dada.
Good evening. What got wet?
Yes.
Mm.
My ID card broke
It's okay. Go.
because that clip fell down.
Where is the this ID card?
In my bag.
How?
In my bag.
In your bag. Ah, okay. Wait. Go climb up the stairs. I'll come up. The climbing, or you want to wait by the lift? You want to go by the lift, or you want to climb up the stairs? What did you say? What did you say?
There's nothing there now.
Yes, silent. Did you see something?
Yes.
What is that?
Wow.
Go ahead. See, no, properly.
I think I'm already able to see properly.
What is written in that?
Puja is vlogs online.
Does it look good?
Yes.
Acha, the thing is, Mama doesn't know about this, okay? So you're going to be quiet the entire time. She doesn't know that you have put it. Hi. She doesn't know they have put that thing, okay? If you open your mouth, then the surprise will go. Do you like this lift or the older one?
It has so much of light.
You have to press G, no?
सो आता आम्ही चाललोय डी-मार्ट मध्ये, कारण की आम्ही चाललोय गावी गणपतीसाठी. भरपूर सारं सामान घ्यायचंय.
Reached. Open. Go. Car is not there.
When did you put this? Seriously?
Yeah. I put the sides also.
Why didn't tell me?
I want to surprise you anyway. Like, and that waiting and all also is there. No, I didn't want to
इसलिए
put it.
मेरे को लेट हुआ.
हाँ, because वो सब डाल रहा था ना. It took me कितना 2 घंटा at least, and rains ये वो and all. Looks good, not decent.
पानी आ गया. Thank you.
Looks good, not decent, no?
Yeah.
I wanted to keep it simple only.
So that people can read.
This I wanted a bit smaller, but then now after putting it, it looked good. Right, ठीक है.
किधर से किया?
A place in वाशी है. वो भी R&D करने के लिए आधा घंटा गया मेरा. So we can't put down the glass for the next 24 hours because वो खींचेगा फिर. So he's like, just be careful on that.
Brother saw?
Yeah, he saw.
बताया नहीं मेरे को.
Strict instructions दिया था उसको. So now it's time for grooming. Baby has already groomed herself. Now Hriday and I need a haircut, and I will also be needing my beard grooming. I hope the shop is not closed or the salon is not closed. Miracles do happen. It's crowded here also. Haircut for both of us. How long?
1 hour approximately.
What do you want? I'll wait. Saying 1 hour. You want to do anything?
We'll wait 1 hour. Also my new specs and the pimple.
We'll wait for an hour. We don't mind waiting. You want to sit there? Sit, no?
Go to this place.
Waiting. Since tomorrow is Ganpati, so lot of crowd. Yeah, everybody blow drying their hair and what, God knows what not. Hriday is a little bit bored, but he's also gonna have a nice haircut.
आता इथे ह्यांचं चालू आहे. आता हृदयची हेअरकट चालू होणार. हृदय एक्साइटेड? समथिंग सरप्राइज. इनको बोला है. He heard? Oh, okay.
What is that?
What? Yeah. Now we'll see. Okay, once done. Ready?
Like it, no?
Sure? Happy?
Mother will be like, what do you want to do that chumpy type of innocent one? He looks good.
You look like a chota bachcho.
Hair trimmed and my beard trimmed. I guess I'm looking young now. Like show your new hairstyle. He was very. So there were two kids who were before him, and they did that style. Okay, and Hriday was constantly looking at. So I realized this fellow also wants to do it. So I told baby that let him. She, being a typical mother, she wants that innocent wala look. So I was like, nothing doing. Let's get Hriday also some nice hairdo. And then I told the salon guy to do it, and he did it, and it looks good on him. So guys, you saw how the day went, and our car is serviced, and yeah, she's got her new specs. That is important. Sticker is not important, I guess.
Sticker is a surprise आणि ह्याने मला अजिबात सांगितलेलं नाही. इनफॅक्ट हा जेव्हा तिथे होता मी याला 2-3 वेळा फोन पण केला.
Yeah, she was irritated.
की तू कधी येणार आहे, आपण जेवायचंय आपल्याला जेवायचंय. बट ही सेड की
I'm still at the garage.
बट ठीक आहे, थँक्यू. आणि आय होप तुम्हाला पण तो स्टिकर
आवडला. Yes, I've told them in case you all don't like also, please let us know. We don't feel bad or something like that. We'll improve it with time. No, it's fine. We'll improve it with time. And Hriday has his 10 days holiday, so he's also equally excited as we are.
आणि उद्या बाप्पा येत आहे.
Yes, Udya Bappa yeta hai, yes. So we are excited for it as well. All preparations done. So let's see tomorrow कैसा जाता है. But आज का दिन के लिए इतना ही. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा,
कमेंट करा,
शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.